Okay, so year 10, here we have got a compound interest question going on. So Sakira, she invests £3,550 for 3 years, fine. This is her interest rate for the first 2 years, and then this is how much she ends up with in total. And we need to work out that percentage for the 3rd year. Now, compound interest has got like a formula that we can use, and that formula is the original times by the multiplier to the power of the number of years. So in this case then, the original amount of money was 3,550. My multiplier, now to work out the multiplier, we are increasing our money, so we're increasing by 2.6%. So you do 100% plus 2.6%, which is 102.6%. And you have to turn it into a decimal or everything's not going to work out. Turning it into its decimal equivalent, we divide by 100. 1.026. So times by 1.026, and that's the power of the number of years, and this is for 2 years, it's at that interest rate. So we put that to the power of 2. Sorry, that's not really very good how I've written it. But 3,550 times 1.026 squared. So let's do that now. 3,550 times 1.026, the power of 2. So what this means is, I'm just going to be a little bit careful with how I write this answer out now, or it's going to go a bit weird. We want to think of this in terms of money. So at the end of that, she's got 3,730, and then we want to round money to 2 decimal places. But if I round up here, that 9's, it's all just going to round up to the nearest whole number. So I can round that to 3,737. Okay, so at the end of the 2 years, she's got £3,737 in her account. And now what we can do is we can use our formula again for the 3rd year. So using this formula again then, our new original, I would say, is 3,737. And that's being times by something, okay? We don't know what it's being times by yet, because that's kind of our R, but it's being times by something. And at the end of it, she ends up with £3,819.21. Now, usefully, this is just the power of 1 here, and it's the power of 1 because this was the first 2 years and this is the 3rd year, so it's only at 1 year. So what I would do to figure out what number goes in that box, well, I would just divide both sides by 3,737. So into my calculator, I'm going to put 3,819.21 divided by 3,737. And that gives me this. So what that means is I know that 1.021999893 is this number in that box. That's what that number is there. You've just got to be super careful now because we want this as its actual percentage rate. Okay? So this isn't the actual percentage at the moment. So if we think about how we got it to its multiplier form before, up here I divided it by 100. So let's undo that step. Let's times it by 100, which will give 102.199893. And then originally I added 100%. So now let's take away 100%. Which gives me 2.199893%. And then finally, oh, sorry, I've just realised I haven't been able to see all that. Then finally, this is what R is. R is this number here. We just need to round that correct to 1 decimal place. The question wanted it to 1 decimal place. So to 1 decimal place is 2.2%. And that's our answer.